Hello Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today in the Avishya Handloom Saree Story series, we are going to be looking at Bagh printed sarees. The Bagh printed saree is much loved and much wanted all over India, and especially with people who understand handloom and hand block printing. It originated in the small village of Bagh in the district of Dar in Madhya Pradesh, and the village itself gets its name from the beautiful, lovely river Bagh which flows along the village. Now, this is where the origin of the name Bagh printed saree came from. Now, what is Bagh printing? Bagh printing is nothing but beautiful hand blocks, wooden hand blocks which are carved into intricate shapes. Typically, the motifs are paisley motifs, floral motifs, and geometric motifs. And the process of completely carving this block, then preparing the dyes, and then printing it on the fabric is what makes Bagh printing so special. One especially important thing about Bagh printing is the colors used are all natural. The reds, the blacks, the yellows, the greens, all of them are organic dyes. The reds from madder, the yellows from turmeric, the greens and blues are from indigo. So it's a completely organic and very, very sustainable product. Now, the process is very, very fascinating. The way the hand blocks are made, with the artisans make them beautifully, carve them and make it into beautiful rows of hand blocks. Each of them is about 6 to 8 inches to 3-4 inches in terms of size. So the individual blocks, so the fabric is first washed and then it is dried, and then the blocks are used. The resist dye printing is a method is used where the organic dye it is used to imprint on that, and then one by one the artisan places the block on the saree and creates the patterns throughout the saree. So it's a very, 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 very fascinating process. The artisans who make these sarees spend a lot of time making these blocks and then printing these sarees. Finally, after they are printed, they are left to dry. They're left to dry on the river banks and then washed in the river Bagh. And finally, the beautiful Bagh printed saree comes out. I hope you enjoyed this little story about the Bagh printed saree. Let's move on to take a look at some of the beautiful Bagh printed sarees in the Avishya collection. Now, let's take a look at this beautiful black and turmeric yellow Bagh printed saree. So I'll just turn it around and show you the entire body. Yes, beautiful. Really, really stunning. Lovely. There are these beautiful pineapple cone motifs all over the body in real, beautiful turmeric yellow, and on a black background, they look stunning. The motifs are made beautifully. The blocks must be very, very intricately constructed. Very, very pretty, and the borders have a beautiful row of chevron motifs all along, so it's very nice, and that's in madder red. So there is a background is black, the pineapple cones are in turmeric yellow, the border edges are in madder red. Right at the very end, you have a lovely line of zari as well in the body, and of course right in the very edge, the turmeric yellow comes out. Now let's open it out and see further what the pallu looks like. Yes, beautiful. Pallu is very, very pretty. Lovely, it's really pretty. This has got a lot more of the yellow, and it's got madder red as well. It's got beautiful geometric shapes. If you see different parts to the pallu, right in the center, of course, there's a grand row of paisley motifs. Beautiful, very, very stunning paisley motifs in turmeric yellow with a little bit of leaves on top. Inside the paisley motif, there is a few more floral motifs as well. And then on both sides of the center panel, 2 large panels of geometric motifs. It almost looks like a Tetris square, beautifully done. And of course, the edging between this and the 2 large geometric motifs, there are rows of beautiful floral motifs, leaf motifs, all in a combination of turmeric yellow, madder red, and black. And overall, it looks very, very nice. And what adds a lovely, nice touch, very, very, gives the X factor to this is the fact that there is a lovely stripes of zari all along the pallu. 3 rows of zari stripes in the pallu from top to bottom. That gives a little bit of glitz and glamour to the pallu itself. So this is how it looks. Let's see what the blouse of the saree looks like. Yes, beautiful. Really, really nice. The blouse is planned so well. Again, the blouse is a wonderful combination of geometric motifs in squares. Actually, it's square motifs, beautifully laid out, and each square is different. There are diagonal stripes, there is a honeycomb motif, there's a row of chevrons, there is one square which has got plus symbols. So there are multiple varieties of different motifs on the blouse, all in square shape. Within the squares, there are beautiful patterns, and they're laid out so beautifully on a very, very wonderful turmeric background, and all the motifs are in black. And the edging, of course, is there in chevron on both sides. So it's a lovely blouse which will go very well along with the body. I'll show you how it goes along with the body. So this is how it will look along with the body. So it makes for a beautiful combination. And the body and the pallu is a very, very elegant and classic handloom Bagh printed saree. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. So if you want to keep getting these videos in your feed, please hit the like and the subscribe button, and we'll be very, very happy to show you our new collections every week. Now, let's take a look at this very, very elegant and majestic elephant grey Bagh printed saree. I'll just open out the saree for you. Yes, beautiful, gorgeous, very sophisticated elegance is the word which comes to my mind when I see the saree. The combination of colors, the grey is so beautiful, the elephant grey, the background. There are lovely paisley motifs all over the saree. The paisley motifs are in alternating colors of black and red. So black and madder red throughout the body. The borders have a lovely geometric formation, beautiful, lovely curvy lines as a combination of squares and circles, beautiful geometric motifs. And right at the very edge, to add a little bit of jazz to the whole thing, it has a lovely zari edging as well. So this is how the body of the saree looks, very elegant and very nice. Let's see what the pallu looks like. I'll just open it out for you. Yes, beautiful, very elegant. It's a very, very elegant pallu. Again, it's following the theme of the paisleys on the body. Right at the center, you have a row of large paisleys in alternating colors, again in black and red in the elephant grey background. And of course, edging on both sides in floral and paisley motifs. And parallel to that, again, two large columns of geometric motifs, a beautiful combination in rectangles of smaller rectangles, formations, a beautifully designed geometric formation, motifs on both sides of the paisleys. And of course, the edging all around between each of these panels is lovely, beautiful floral motifs, lovely leaf motifs, all of that in different colors. Basically, it's a grey background and the motifs are either in black or in red. Of course, adding a lot of glamour to this, adding a little bit of fizz to the whole thing is 4 rows of zari motifs, zari lines which are there on the pallu, which add a lot of fizz to the pallu and gives it the much needed, lift for the whole saree. So overall, it's a very, very sophisticated looking saree. Let's take a look at the blouse. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, the blouse is a lovely, beautiful, very, very elegant grey, the elephant grey, beautiful, elegant elephant grey, which will go very nicely along with the body. I'll just open it out for you so that you can see how it looks with the body. Yeah, this is how it looks, the blouse and the body. Very, very nice. Overall, if you ask me what one word, one statement about this saree, it's very, very classy, sophisticated elegance, very understated, very, very majestic. It's a lovely saree. I hope you enjoyed having a look at this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. And for those of you who like these videos, please hit the like or subscribe button. We upload these videos twice or thrice every week. All the new collections which will come, please do that. Now, let's take a look at this majestic madder red and beautiful indigo blue Bagh printed saree. I'll just open out the saree for you. Yes, beautiful, wonderful. The organic colors used are so very rich and so nice. The madder red, which is used to form the base color of the saree, looking stunning, and the fact that it's organic, it's looking so pleasing to the eye. And of course, it's combined with the indigo blue, and that's there throughout the body. You have lovely little paisley motifs, paisleys with the little florets on all sides, lovely small cute paisley motifs all over the body, and edged by lovely floral vines, little floral and leaves. So there's lovely floral vines in blue, which is coming on all sides of the body. And right at the very edge, give it a little bit of glitz. You have the beautiful zari edging on the borders on both sides, top and bottom. I'll just let's see what the pallu looks like. Yes, beautiful, gorgeous. The pallu is a lovely shade of indigo blue, and it's really, really resplendent because the indigo blue then contrasts very nicely with the maroon madder red of the body on one side. And of course, on the pallu itself, you have beautiful series of motifs in different formations. Right in the center, you have a lovely, bouquet of flowers. It's a series of bouquets right in the center. And on both sides of the bouquet, you can see that a lovely, beautiful, lovely, almost like the Hawa Mahal kind of motifs are there. Hawa Mahal kind of motifs on both sides with floral formations inside and florets outside. It's beautiful. Again, that's black on the indigo blue background. In the center, of course, it is a bouquet of flowers in red on the indigo blue background. And separating all of these is beautiful, either geometric stripes or beautiful floral motifs or floral vines. So overall, it looks very, very arty. So basically, there are 3 columns. The center is a bouquet of flowers, and 2 sides is the Hawa Mahal kind of motif, which is there. And overall, it's got a very, very arty look. Let's see what the blouse looks like. Yes, beautiful. So the blouse is a beautiful, lovely plain indigo and it goes very nicely along with the body of the saree. It goes beautifully along with the body of the saree. It's really, really nice. It brings out the paisley motifs in the body because it's the same blue. It looks beautiful. So I'm sure it'll coordinate very well. The body, the pallu and the blouse will coordinate very well. It's an elegant saree, it's a majestic saree, and it'll be a stunner for anyone who wears this. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed showing this to you. If you want to take a closer look at this saree, please come out to the Avishya store. We're open at 281 TTK Road, Alwarpet. We'll be very, very happy to show you the entire collection of Bagh printed sarees. We have a large collection in different colors. So I'm sure you can come, see the colors that you like, pick it up, touch, feel, drape the saree, and pick up what you really like. Those of you who are not in Chennai, please log into avishya.com. The entire collection of Bagh printed sarees is available online. So you can choose. Our customer service staff are available online to help you select the right one for you. And of course, for those of you who like these videos, please hit the like or subscribe button so that you keep getting these videos in your feed. We put in a lot of effort to source the best handloom sarees from across the country and making these videos. I'm sure you'll enjoy watching them. So please do hit the like and subscribe button so that you keep getting these videos in your feed. This month, there's a special offer we are rolling out. The month of RD is here and the RD offer is being rolled out this month. This awesome RD offer from Avishya entitles you to discounts starting from 5% all the way up to 30%. It's available. So please go online or come to the store and avail of this special RD sale offer. For another bit of news for you, that we've also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.